Obviously, 2009 was quite difficult economically. However, our specialty is live production, and we've seen actually growth in the live production area. Certainly in perhaps less traditional markets other than broadcast, we've seen huge growth in certain regions of the world where they're doing live events production, stage events, and also in houses of worship. Actually looking forward, we're seeing some very good growth opportunities for switcher products for live events. Here at Echolab, one of the things that we've tried to do very well is make sure that our products in this recessive time, or hopefully now coming out of the recession, are well priced and perform all of the tasks that are required, but can fit within what are today fairly reduced budgets. Going forward, obviously there are still dangers in our economies around the world, and so we have to continue with that task. We still see the need, we're seeing increasing growth, and we think that one of the keys there is to provide the performance that customers require at a reduced cost. This year, obviously, we're still seeing a tremendous need for upgrade to HD. Now thrown into the mix are 3D possibilities. So certainly in the production environment, 3D is something that is being discussed. We ourselves are looking at this very carefully and making solutions for it. But going forward, we see the need for the ability to overcome some of the very technical issues with 3D. Cuts only production is simple. Mixing 3D is very complex and difficult. And we're going to be looking at that very hard over the coming months to make sure that we can address these new possibilities. I think the uptake on 3D will actually be perhaps a little faster than we might imagine. Certainly with some of the news channels and sports channels already adopting 3D, we see the need of being there. So it's something that we will definitely see as a growth factor for us going forward. We go to IBC annually because IBC, of course, is the premier event in Europe and certainly covers a great portion of the world. IBC is something that we will continue to support because it's really one of our best opportunities to see a large audience and obviously show them the products that we produce. I think it's a key show. IBC and NAB we see as our primary platforms to be able to present product.